Welcome Inehub. KuCoin, the people's exchange, today will guide you through the steps of futures trading on the KuCoin mobile app. For you to experience a more dynamic way of crypto trading, futures contracts are derivatives in the crypto market, offering opportunities to hedge risks and leverage your positions for potentially higher gains. KuCoin Futures is a comprehensive platform for cryptocurrency derivatives trading, offering high-level security and a variety of popular leveraged crypto futures products. Begin by registering on KuCoin login. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Visit our website, inehub.com, to learn more ways to make money online. And select futures to access KuCoin Futures for new users. Follow the sign-up process, enable futures trading in your account, read and agree to the terms to proceed. Choose your contract. Type USDT margin contracts. Use USDT as a margin for coin margin contracts. You'll use a specific cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is margin, and your profits and losses will also be settled in that cryptocurrency. Adjust leverage wisely. Higher leverage increases potential gains and the risk of liquidation. Implement risk management strategies like setting stop loss and take profit orders to define exit points and manage risks. Effectively fund your futures account by selecting transfer, choosing the currency, entering the amount and confirming. Place your order. Choose your order type, enter the price, the quantity, and click buy long or sell short. KuCoin supports limit, market, stop limit, and stop market order types. On the futures trading interface, for a market order, you only need to enter the quantity you wish to trade, and your order will be executed at the best available market price. If you set a limit order, it will execute when the market price reaches your specified rate. Additionally, we offer sophisticated order types like take profit and stop loss. These tools are designed to secure your earnings and mitigate losses, providing crucial risk management when market movements move in your favor or are contrary to your expectations. You can monitor liquidation prices, margins, and unrealized P&L for your open positions, or order history in the trading chart below. Adjust your margins and set risk controls as needed to close. Use a market or limit order either directly from your position or through the order area. That's your guide to futures trading on KuCoin. Visit our help center for more details. Happy trading with KuCoin Futures.